Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily make another new account in the TikTok app, if you already have one. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes under this video and write your comments after watching. So friends, let us get down to our topic. First of all, open the TikTok app on your device. Then on the bottom right, tap on Profile to go to your account. Next, friends, on the top right, tap on the three bars. Next, select Privacy Settings. And here, scroll to the very bottom. And here find an option called Change Account. Click on that. And in order to add another account, click Add Account. Now you can proceed with your actions in a number of ways. You can maintain your phone number, or you can continue with email or Google, like Facebook or Apple. I'll be using my Even Apple account. Continue. As you can see, I have Face ID installed, so I didn't enter a password. But if you need to enter a password, such as Facebook or Gmail, enter it and then proceed to create a new account. You can start by selecting your date of birth. After that, click Next. Now you will need to choose your name. Click Continue. And as you can see, immediately a new account is created. And in order to switch between multiple TikTok accounts, you'll need to click on the three bars at the top just like that. Privacy Settings. Scroll down and select Change Account. Here you will have several of your TikTok accounts at once, and you can easily switch between them, as you will have one password for all your TikTok accounts. It goes like this. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful to you, that you saw how you can easily start a new TikTok account even if you already have accounts. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments. See you soon.